I saw a video going around where somebody will claim say she named Kingston this and that. Did a video of me begging, creating GoFundMe and begging. And I'ma send the video to Debbie Sonia Bryan. Of me a walk and beg. And you know something? One day I'm not going to wake up and I'm going to understand why some of us are called psychologists, associate psychologists, and psychology students. I'm not going to remember that. And you know what I hope? I hope you may remember me as the woman who is always begging. I hope I will be remembered and I will be known as the top blogger who has to be begging to pay her bills. Because the things them come at Jamaica, you know. And I know me I go beg. Because 1 pound of chicken back for $400. 1 pound of turkey neck for $450. Saltfish I must be $3,000 a pound. So, now, me need help to clear the things them where they are off. Because me never did know say them thieving people there in Canada will rack up my bill. Me never did know say when the things ship come to Jamaica, the Jamaican government are going to charge me a percentage of when me pay for ship the things them come in. So you see how they hold the things them in Canada? You know say me have to pay the government for the storage fee where them charge me. So guess what? And now me need help. Me I reactivate me GoFundMe. So, may you all remember of me, the woman who is always begging. And when you don't see me and me come to no mind, let it be a reminder of me. A woman who is sick, can't work, and is out begging in order to survive. And while I do that, why not send the rest of video them to Debbie Sonia Bryan. Why not send the video them to her when me I talk about her grandfather will give me bamboo for suck at 7 years old. Why me go up on Debbie page and me not say none of that forward to Debbie? Then that no more damning. A grown man, 60 years old, giving a 7-year-old child his bamboo to peel. That is not more damning than somebody who is sick and cannot work? You don't not do no self-justice, man. You no bias bad on the platform. Send this video go give Debbie. Please put this on Debbie page. That her grandfather mash up my back. A Debbie grandfather why my back sick and me can't work. Because him have me a lay down on my back at 7 years old. I give me bamboo for peel and that affect my health. Make sure when me go up on Debbie page, me go see this.